Ini ya rat jo. Ini rat jo.
Nai tawar dito sa buhay.
Nai. Ada saya apa saya lepas ini tanah pacar ge lepas. Tanah pacar ge.
Ada si batu di sini nanti kira. Ada saya buat kita kita
Pero kabel.
Tangan nyambungin, tangannya ana.
Pero kalau kerja apa jenuh tanah belakang.
Pero kau itu WA. Yung best uji.
Kamu sudah tak telepon ni.
Pun lagi messenger messenger.
Bongkar ke YouTube ko. Bongkar ke YouTube ko. YouTube ko. Bongkar ke bang. Harus ini. Andre aja. Juga malam ding.
Alam mo yun. Kemana kau kota kasih ya gitu.
Murni.
Apa bolu?
Itu kayak masuk macam apa?
Jadi itu di.
Ini kayak bambang yang jangan di kota Terima dia yang berapa? Jangan lupa. Nih. Ah?
Banyak pagi. Banyak pagi.
Macam itu.
Dari situ Nusri ya. Sekian baru kirim sini parik kopi. Kok dia mau orang kalau?
Putar lu jauh. Ah, deh.
Ntar kita balik lagi ya.
Jadi punya pengetahuan lu.
Ini datang apa kak? Ini datang. Datang. Bongkar ke YouTube.
Apa itu boleh tuka itu
Mau tanya anak ciri.
Bongkar gimana pemain itu?
Here comes a crunch game. So much depends on this. Expectation.
Is it the
Geser nih.
pre-match build-up has been fantastic. Now, already started here. Passes short and sharp. He's shifting and this starts. Well, it's him, and we can't be surprised because his instinct for doing this is incredible.
Harus kering.
Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach. He had the whole picture in his head, Peter. He didn't even look at the goalkeeper.
Ini terkaya.
Jadi killing. Di sini. Apa lagi?
So the game's first significant moments, and it's come earlier than perhaps we anticipated.
Apa?
It's Neymar. Laid back in, and here's it's Neymar! Oh, denied!
Udah sempat kan.
Both reading it and dealing with it.
Bolot mundur.
And that could set him on his way. Alexander-Arnold. Probing ball. Salah puts a mighty effort. Now it's a race for the ball. And he thumps it clear.
Kok di belakang?
Well, I wouldn't quite let fans nations resort to risk-taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left yet. Oh, he's burst through. Back into the middle. Straight ahead. It's a loose ball. Gabriel gets rid without sophistication. Mohamed Salah. Terima, Rice, and it's Sulsel. Variol, Rice, Terima. A real chance if he can get through. Oh, now here's an interesting matchup. Alexander-Arnold. Foden. He's going to be disappointed with that. Gabriel. Terima. Looking for the runner. Skillfully cut out. He is so at ease on the ball. Might come loose. Oh, surely that deserved better. It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when lines are being made like that.
Hah? Kan Rene maka karena kediktarin kan main.
And now they can spring out of defence. Now it's Mohamed Salah. Great defending, strong and determined. Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed. Sulsel in. Foden. To Kimmich. Kimmich takes control of enemies on the move. Now it's Kim shakes the shoots. And that is wildly off target. Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break. Added time. Solid. Where they want to be. Just one goal and they have it. Referee on both sides. Half-time. Get any points for stating the obvious. Beautiful tactical business. Very stable. Very simple. Keep the intensity high and hope for an early goal. If that happens, it's a game changer. And the action is back on the way. Well, I think starting this half in strong colour is essential, Peter, if you're chasing the game which they are. Go with intent and purpose. Let your opponents know you're not just going to quieten them down.
Kenapa ini sama lagi
Now it's Haaland. Oh, that's well spotted. So Krasin. Pass is coming off in quick succession here. Quite squeezed that one through. Alexander-Arnold. Terima. Gabriel promptly onto that, and that is that. Now it's Haaland. Terima. Rice. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done. Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was. Quick to recover this. Good start. This is better. They're coming again and again. I think they just have to keep forcing the issue. They'll get Sulsel in. He's got to be in here. It's one. So that's two now without reply. Well, with this kind of authority, Peter, why not push on and totally kill this off? Mohamed Salah. Rice. Fernandez could move up a gear here. Good start, he's seen the run. Oh, that is a good ball to find him. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. It's Van Dijk. And it's Salah. He's had it taken off him. Alexander-Arnold. He is being given no time to think on the ball now. Whether he's got his back to goal or he's facing it, Menace is at play and he needs all the attention he can be given. Looking for options for movement. It's headed upfield. So what can they make of this? Terima, Sulsel mid, set up one goal so far. Haaland, and the ball's come loose here. Well, this does not look promising, Peter. The least they can do is to give the crowd something to cheer about, but that might be difficult from here. Salah plays it in. Substitution on the field. Number 20. Sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Number 3. Coming on the field. Number 21. No, again there's no way through. They can break here. It's a sharp heading goal here. Not pretty, but it gets the job done. Sounds being indicated. Referee brings it to a close. So that is it. The end of the road. Reflections on what you see, Jim? Well, what can I say, Peter? It seemed like the enormity of the task got the better of the players, and they never really got going. I know it can happen to even the best of us, but that doesn't take away from the fact that this was a painful watch. Thank you very much, Jim, for joining me. That brings us to the end of our coverage. So from us both, time this season to everybody around the world, and we have a clash of two teams with very similar intentions. A statement win at the expense of the would be the ideal scenario for both. A flying start is certainly required. Nobody in this atmosphere can hide from the truth about how much this game matters. The sea overflows with colour and passion. Just joining us, we are already underway. You won't be happy with that one. Gabriel makes the interception. Can he get it through? And that interception was most necessary. That's great positioning for Sulsel. Here's a battle. There was no reaching that. no other outcome there. That was bang in the corner, unstoppable. They have what they wanted, the first breakthrough. Because of that first goal now, it's a great opportunity to make a one-way traffic and add to this lead. So just one early goal to report so far. 1-0 the score. Oh, good read. He read that really well and stopped it. Rice. Well, that's well seen too. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Kasih. Oh, red. Nice interception. Andriy. Van Dijk. Fernandez. And it's Salah. He's shifting through the gears here. It's Salah! And they've gone red. And here's Son Heung-min. Palmer. That's it! Alexander-Arnold gets rid without sophistication. And now the breakaway. Now it's Mbappe. On the defence. Laid out to the left flank. A glitch with the rangefinder there. And evident annoyance. Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on. Now it's Son Heung-min. And the flag. Can he put it away? Really well taken goal. They have pulled themselves right back into it. Well, it certainly livened things up a bit. That next goal now was absolutely crucial. Yeah, the pass was bang on, and he just had to ensure he didn't stray offside. The finish was actually bang on too. That has certainly made things interesting. Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way. Damso does really well to win the ball there. They want to be quick here. It's breakaway time. Son Heung-min. Hernandez does really well there. He is strong. And he's picked out the run. Guardiola. Back to the keeper they go. And it's Van Dijk. For Rice. Alexander-Arnold. Now it's Mohamed Salah. It's a throw in. Damso getting this one clear. Turns back here, probably the best option. Now it's Haaland. Salah. Haaland. Half-time whistle goes. A pretty decent watch this, and each side has contributed in equal part. A couple of very good goals for the crowd to enjoy, and a game which is right on the edge. At half-time, it's 1-1. So when they come to the break with nothing to separate them, the score 1-1. So we're straight back at it at the start of the second half. Palmer. Guardiola does have an assist to his name. Can he finish? Wonderful goal! Well, it's hardly a great surprise to see him doing something thrilling, and it should send the strength and courage to every one of his teammates from here. Well, his movement is all based on fine margins, and the timing of his run then was ideal. So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here? Yeah, for me this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back of it. It's going to be another throw. Gabriel attempts clearance.
Segala bola pa.
Cuts out the supply. Haaland. He's got away. Now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Haaland! That was no clean save. He's definitely living up to the occasion here. He just loves being out there amongst it.
Biasa tingkat ko daftaran na PSM, Akademi PSM.
Alexander Arnold with the short one. Nice control. That's been intercepted. That was well played, well stopped. It's been taken short. He gets big. Really good defending. And now they can string out a defense. It's some young men. Now it's Mbappe. Looking for the run. And it's Neymar. Oh, now here's an interesting matchup. Right here, right now, it's not looking favourable. They're chasing the ball and the game. Alexander Arnold. Now it's Mohamed Salah. Alexander Arnold is in a really good position out wide. There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they? And it's played forward. Terima. Neither of these two want to come off second best. Well seen, saw that coming. He read that really well and stopped it. If they want to counter, they can do with more speed. And it's Salah. Mohamed Salah. Neymar. And he's in on goal. The assistant referee rightly gives him offside. I thought it was going to happen then. How many more chances can they realistically get now? Number 12. Number 15. Substitutions taking place.
Lale.
Unnecessary risks, and the game is petering out again. Robinson, he's found a way through. And a minute has been indicated. And it's Salah. Well read. Dangerous averted. And that will be the final act. A game that is a turn of one. Great promise they established. They lost momentum, they lost intensity, they lost their lead, and ultimately they lost the game. Your thoughts on today's game then, James? Well, there were loads of problems in wide areas, and they couldn't find the solution to those wide defensive positions. Just not good enough on so many levels. So thank you very much. much, Jim, for joining me. That brings us to the end of our coverage. So from us both, a very good evening.
Nah, cara natin yung natin pwede din yung para na kamu ni dengan apa makanan. Tai nai. Dari sini dia akan dimarah. Jangan dia masa Makassar dia dari segitu. Dia punya anak kesal.
Separuh tinggal ngesing kapang. Separuh jenis bahasa Makassar nih.
Itulah sebenarnya tempat kumpul
Kamu tuh nyata Makassar pernah nyata masuk mana bahasa Berisi.
And so we reach a fork in the road. Fortunes can turn either way from this point. One path leads to where they all want to be, or at least a significant step closer to it. What doesn't bear thinking about is the alternative. It is time for the central characters to stand tall. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people. And the shots! We'll simply have to tip his hat to the keeper here because that was a magnificent save. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here? Yeah, Joshua Kimmich. In many ways, the ultimate modern fullback in that he contributes just as much offensively as he does defensively. He seems to have a great instinctive understanding of when to move forward, and that means he rarely gets caught out of position on the counter-attack. He should be a key player for this team. He would be the obvious choice, wouldn't he? He certainly has all the right qualities. Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance. Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less. Rice, so a third of the match or thereabouts gone, and we still await the first goal. Well seen, saw that coming. That's great positioning, so good from him. Danso gets rid without sophistication. Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision because he had good options around him and he failed to get his head. And the shot! And he's found the net! It was a great finish. He put it away with great poise, dead-eye accuracy. He weighed up the landscape, Peter, and he stuck it bang in the corner. Breakthrough. Yeah, although that first goal is a welcome boost, they can't afford to ease off now. To do that would simply be inviting danger. Some Krassin cuts out the supply. Alexander-Arnold. Communication breakdown there, it seems. Alexander-Arnold going full tilt down the left. just about enough to come out on top there. Neither party overly willing to compromise. 1-0 here, just before. Going to stay that way for now. Lobbed in behind. That could set him on his way. Hernandez clears it away. Crosses it into the area. Has earned a reprieve for the time being. Alexander-Arnold. Now that's well seen too. There will be one team all in it. Mohamed. The movement so precise. There's the end of the first half. Pretty decent box this, and each side has contributed in equal parts. A couple of very good goals for the crowd to enjoy, and a game which is right on the edge. At half-time, it's 1-1. So both teams heading off for the break, and an interesting game has brewed up here. Hoping perhaps for a little bit more from both parties in the second half, but the score at half-time is 1-1. Hostilities have resumed at the start of the second half. Oh, that was vital. Son Heung-min really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn. Mohamed Salah. There were better options before the ball was lost. Easy to save them up here, I know. If they want to counter, they could do with more speed. Looks to go up and over. It's on! It's loose now, they want to get it back. Oh, that was brilliantly defended. Alexander-Arnold is short. He runs. Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing. Haaland certainly could have and should have made more of that. Well, you would hope for some movement off the bench, Peter, knowing you get an extra sub in extra time. Oh, Red, nice interception. It's the sort of situation that they'll want to capitalise on now. It's clear to see that he is not at all happy with that. The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration. Rodri, that's really well manoeuvred. Foden. Son Heung-min. Rice. They've got to be quick moving this forward. Looking for the run. Alexander-Arnold promptly onto that, and that is that. It's a decent chance to counter-attack. Oh, that's fabulous. Alexander-Arnold. Palmer. And through to the goalkeeper. Hernandez. Passing is crisp and sharp. It's Son Heung-min. Who's scored now? Oh, he's been caught on it here. And again. And he's really put himself on the line here. Substitution on the field. Number 7. Number 20. Number 3. Coming on the field. Number 19. Number 21, Bruno Fernandes.
Terkait itulah namanya ini apa selera. Ini tentukan terus sudah yang ditanya itu.
There's going to be another change here. There's the header. Oh no, that could be a costly miss. Well, maybe the tension around this game played a part in that because he should have put them ahead there. This is intriguing. It's goal critical. Well, a goal either way at this stage would qualify as a steal. Now it's Haaland. That's been intercepted. That was well played. Well stopped. Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance. Now, what about a counter-attack? He is through here. That's it. We're going to get 30 minutes more. Well, we can only hope we get an extra time contest of similar ambition, provided fatigue doesn't begin to play a part. Short respite for the players as they prepare themselves for another 30 minutes. Godly makes his way.
Dating yung Jeneponto pagi atau dipapalui.
Coming on the field, 90 minutes gone and nothing between them still. It's a sharp little ball here. It's an early cross. Terrific header. Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks. Robinson. Kasih. Bruno Fernandes. Oh, that's a nice ball. And Robinson. Oh, this looks sharp. Getting this one clear. Terima. Alexander-Arnold gets across to intercept that. They're back on the ball again. Now it's Saka. Pass is short and sharp. Mohamed Salah. Haaland. And that's it for the first half of extra time. 90 minutes long gone, 15 of an extra 30 have also gone, and the search for a winner is still on. This is a punishing game on bodies and heads and minds. The outstanding question, the only question, is there still room for one last bit of drama? Number 10. And if you're just back, the action is back on the way already. They have played themselves to a near standstill. What is left in the tank now? Robinson. It's Saka. Mohamed Salah does really well to win the ball there. They've got to make this nice and quick. That looks a decent ball. Well, the defence proved infallible then. And that won't leave them shapes the suits. Accepted with the utmost glee. Haaland really can't believe so much room when he should have been boxed in. Having turned the game on its head, now can they hold out? Well, look, Peter, I feel I've got to stress that there's still time for another, so we can't be too presumptuous yet. And that is that. A game that is a tale of one that got away. Position of great promise, they established. They lost momentum, they lost intensity, they lost their lead, and ultimately they lost the game.
Tahu dah rasa.
Dia kan pernah lama sudah mungkin ini. Mereka tinggal di siaran dulu ya lagi ini kan belakang aja.
Apa kanan ya? Kemana itu penutup nih?
Apa lagi pandangan? Pasal batu pandangan dong. Parang itu batu pandangan dong. Apa malangnya pendek? Ya,
Ngapa nonton tim bro?
Ngapa dari itu tadi?
Hah? Bintang Karaeng. Bintang Karaeng. Mau.
Nanti jalan aja nggak ada pakasi dan sang.
Ini janji. Sama ada goblok.
Ini setengah enam. Setengah enam. Boleh kalau gua. Setengah kang balor ribu. Jangan lagi raya di Jawa. Jadi keluar ngali sekesak bus sini. Biar kena ribu loh.
Andre kena main juga ya. Sama nih baca komentar lanjut juga di. Ntar kusingirin deh.
Berisi.
Iya, live stream itu juga. Silakan tambahkan bang. Mantap. Ini bang. Bang. Capek nih subscriber nih yang nama nih jam tayang nama nih. Dia bikin capek 4.000 toh. Kang 4.000 target nah tentang masyarakat nah. Kerjaan penting. Kang 4.000 yang tayang nah target nah. Untuk kuliah daftar. Sudah terakhir. Kena konten berulang tapi pusing apa masalah nah kalau kau apa saya. Kalau kurangnya mah jam tayang nah. 4.000 sing tapi lepas dapat beli benar nih bang. Hah? Iya.
Nah, kasih kita menjawab pertanyaan. Muli. Ay, muli. Baru kasih ya. Ano, kalau kita pun. Paano yung sulit yung sama Rusia sama sa sinari niya. Iprat mo. Mariyan nga, kasi pagkayo lang ang sulit ko hindi ba?
Betul, Berisi roe.
Namayano.
Berisi roe.
Matayala tayo kaya. Kaya puno sila ng Rusia.
Nah,
Matayala tayo. Diba? Nung lakas ko. Medyo mga karin. Ano yung klase? Kaya sa dalawa ko ng Rusia. Lugi, wala na guys, lugi. Parang lugi. Talaga magbibigyan ka lang ng kaligin na lugi. Kaya lugi. Diba? Ang tingin naman ito pera. Pwede lang lamang isang
Gini ka bang? Dapper na soalnya.
oh. Apa? Apa? Lepas yo te sigue kita wal.
Apa?
Sudah silakan. Kata saya berpurung.
Murah.
Pandai kena peraturan ini. Belum. Kata saya berpurung. Iya. Pandai. Kita stay baru.
Kan orang kaya yang pinahanan itu peredam suara mana nih motor lalu itu namanya suara tinanya hujan tinanya masuk ini mana ya cerita mana bilang gitu itu ini tentang itu bintang itu belum kap kering ya enggak ada saya.
Udah bang.
Itu yang disuruh ngomong. Disuruh ngomong. Kalau itu kan.
Kalau bulan nih, ngar bintang yang lihat Pak.
Iya, orang mantar ini mau keluar juga. Bisa nanti juga apa gitu. Bisa nanti juga apa nih. Karena segeri biak. Berarti dulu langsung sama kan sekarang tuh dia mau tetap ya. Ikan ini.
Mana ke jalur memang TikTok. Nah, teman anak di transit. Gua katakan di pagi gua.
Udah lo tahu yang langsung dia.
Saya masuk ke benar kan mana.
Iya pernah lah karena operasi itu yang.
Yang dia kalau betar semua yang dari Makassar kan. Motor Nah, bisa motor sekarang.
Nah juga dia orang jadi ceritanya. Sekarang segini itu ke lama ada kereta segini. Ini paling dekat kalau ini.
Kita sama teman ini sama teman-teman.
Jadi mesti lapor ini.
Dari dia
Apa dia ini? Ini jadi lapor sendiri jadi lapor. Ini tuh
bilang
Kita miring. Udah cocok ke bang?
Kurang 7. Mungkin aja kalau tarik kok lebonnya.
Tawar langsung tangan kan segama jalan lah. Ini enggak. Kemarin nyari ciuman lagi naring jalitan memberi nyari berapa kan nyari hitungnya itu nyari ini terpeka dia lama bobo jangan manusia jarang itu makan
Lai. Saya pernah sama tadi.
nah mesti ini nyari yang tanah dia nyemputnya iya belum ada kita mah ya nah atau punya lo kiranya bacaan yang dia yo kan yo kata kalau bokong ngasih di pernah itu waktu ini rumah di pasar ini si gunung ini kan mai under mari pasti
Tunggu lu lagi.
itu sebenarnya dong
Kan ada itu terlalu mirip lagi.
si gunung be narong ngeri batarin dengan si gunung nih kamai under mari ingin punah ini anak karena namanya ya kamu itu tahu lu kamu mana jenam mana lu jadi ya kamu kan kerapta caranya makan kembali lagi kecamatan tinggal lagi lu tahu segala macam kita berjalan kembali ke mata iya kembali ke mata ini kan
Tapi dia bilang itu tahun berapa bilang mana?
ya aja kan sama tanah jaya kan ini kita sama tanah jana
Dia dapat apa kan?
nah juga juga di sampingnya lagi itu tahu gak deh tahu kan bukan ada dia ini sepi dah kita coba baca tahu
Pak Boy berteman pada sumpah. Iya, bukan lagi udah kecil deh. Iya. Suruh ngira muter ya.
apa demi nerangan tuh ya apa yang aja senjata panah
Kata pan itu betar itu udah.
kira menang tes kita kan dia mau balik ini masuk di kamar barang itu Mai mau kiri toko harmoni di Makassar pernah kartu keluargaan jadi kartu anggota Makassar kembali bagi tentara banyak bagi polisi kita mau itu harus sentuhan toko harmoni Tahu kemudian apa balik ke Jilor dan baju Berisi kita makan dengan kartu baju mana kartu bertani.
Senangin ranki ya.
Malangin.
Basta senangin ranki ano ka to.
Itu negara kita ada.
Atau surang ni.
Kantor main di dalam balik ke kantor jalan dari sebarang sampai kartu bertani ini sering
Hello and welcome to the atmosphere building very nicely here. Gorgeous, gorgeous evening. The skies are clear, the noise is enormous. Atmosphere frenetic. The matchday noise at this place is truly special. The pride, the passion, it adds to a massive sense of occasion. We have already started here. Pass is coming off in quick succession here. Oh, that's a key interception. He's gone forward. Now it's Torres. Well, there is David Villa.
Jeneponto.
The goal is unquenchable. One of Spain's brightest never strikers.
I think his record speaks for itself, Peter. He's far from just a poacher. I like the way he's constantly on the move, creating space for others, and he's got the creativity to play in deeper roles if needed.
And that is out of play. And he lights up a cross. Lima can get it clear. David Villa. Now that's well seen too. David Villa looking for options for movement. Hits one! Oh, denied! Brilliantly! Clearly thought he had a meeting with the keeper. Malaysia with the corner. They're first. Shomaslai plays it in. That's going to go a long way.
Kung ito yung komandan kung ni
It's been intercepted. That's great positioning. So good from back into the middle. It's gone for a throw in.
pata ko surangin ang motor eh. Kasi nga tani pake.
Place it forward. Kimmich. Played back in. That's a great interception. David Villa steps in, and that's the end of that. We're not going to make any further progress now. Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities. That's really well manoeuvred. And it is clear to see that he is not at all happy with that. Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on. Expertly cut out, really nicely done. That's alert and sharp and very well played. Andri. And here's Mbappe. Fernando Torres. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. Alexander-Arnold gets over and intercepts. Oh, that's wonderful alertness. Drogba. Palmer. Stood up well to him there. Bintang. Mbappe. Menu. That has been cut short. Kimmich. So still we are where we began. It's 0-0. Well seen. Saw that coming. That was well played. Well stopped. Menu. And he's intervened well there. 8 forwards. And here's Torres. Palmer. If they want to counter, they could do with more speed. Chooses to go back. Real chance! And collective relief etched on the face. Half-time. Truth be told, perhaps it's not the game that many anticipated, but there is lots to be seen in it, lots to be taken from it. Plenty for the key figures to mull over, but it remains goalless.
And a quick reminder today to please take all sit-outs.
We reached the halfway point, and neither side have yet been able to force the issue. It's 0-0.
Laki ribet sa ano, senjata. Ngebet dan rin na pangki.
Substitution.
And the second half gets underway. I can imagine both managers have been in the ears of the players. That was superb goalkeeping. That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that. Malaysia have their second corner now. And now they can clear their lines. Select. Lima. He rises! Oh, just couldn't turn it in. Didn't quite come off for him. Menu. On time, excellent interception. Alexander-Arnold. Oh, good-looking ball. Alexander-Arnold calmly anticipates. Neymar. Neither of these two want to come off second best. He's picked his way through. Well, he got rid because he was under pressure. That's just playing it safe and simple. Malaysia appear to be happy to let their front players stay up front all the time. Well, it's signalling to the opposition that they're setting themselves up for the counter-attack. It's plain and simple. Oh, they could be caught out of here. Now he's off and running. Well, yet another interception and a show of anticipation to be commended. The keeper has reacted superbly there. Mbappe is offering a wry smile there. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Kimmich. Malaysia have the chance to go the other way. Can he get onto this? Hernandez cuts it out. And he's there to belt it away. Kimmich. Well, no goals, but certainly no shortage of action. Well, from an entertainment viewpoint, it's not the scoreline we would have wanted at this stage, although I'm not complaining about the commitment being shown. We've seen plenty of goal-mouth action. Good spot, he's seen the run. Now it's Mbappe. That has been slung wide. Back into the middle. And he has kicked it out somehow. So time to change. And here's one has been on the cards for a little while. Yeah, I think he's been told to play that role of the tactical pivot, spraying the ball about sometimes, driving it forward from the middle of the park.
Bago kamu.
Tambahan ni SALAMAKKI.
Gently done. Real chance here. Great hits. Late in the day, a telling moment. Look, before we can even delve into the detail, the significance of taking the lead should be our initial reflection, and that's priceless. His position was perfect, the invitation was there for him, and his response absolutely clinical. There was a distinct lack of pressure there. Oh, what a climb! The lead stays intact, just. Well, that's a great response, though, and it's a statement declaring that they're not done with this yet. Looking for the runner. Oh, good take in a good area. Brilliantly cut out. And trick. No, it's not getting there. There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Benar gitu na jangkar yung
Shubaslai.
sasala ka siya.
Defending was strong and firm. The final 5 minutes. I think we're just about done here. It's a decent chance to counter-attack. Ferran Torres receives it in a good position here.
Siya pernah kasi penanya jangkar yang kemana jangan pengen kita balik. Bahkan Ripa
Desperate defending required here. Defending of the desperate variety. All hands on deck for this one. That should get the job done.
There will be 5 minutes added
So
time.
Yasin, can he get it through? And that interception was most necessary. He read that really well and stopped it. Now it's Shubaslai. Just seeing the ball now, it's going to be 5 extra minutes. They need to play this quicker in transitions like this. And there's green grass ahead of him. Mbappe. And we're done. Well, that was tense. Boy, that was tense. The two sides separated by the game's only goal. Fernando Torres claiming the man of the match award. And there is very little room for argument. How would you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim? This was all about tactics, Peter. A weakness in the central areas, both in defence and midfield, which is something we referred to before the game. And the manager was smart enough to make sure it was exploited. Thanks to Jim. We both wish you a very good evening.
Bang-bang na nagkuhan, ang right itu dia, Yo tinuloloro no. Kemarin ini jalan yang terlalu tanam mau sih dunai, mana nanti ini penampatan kayu ah, ternyata jangan, jadi, lalu kali, nyala dari ini, nyata sekilas dulu, nanti dulu. Yung mga tao natin kasi ang kuhanan din ang panita ng ajan na kaya na
Kalau libatin niyo po, ano kaya mo riba para mag-ratrisig na berbangga.
iyo nga nililo ka mga bagi din
Welcome to those who have joined us all here on a beautiful clear evening. The conditions contributing to a fantastic atmosphere. This really is the place to be. And the mood is boisterous. It is a perfect ambience for the central characters who are ready now to perform. As you can see, we've already started here. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference? Yeah, Kylian Mbappe. There's nothing more. He gets big! No, he's got that completely wrong. Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break. Szoboszlai. Now it's Kane. It's a lovely deep pass. Gets into some space. Kane! Well, talk about a real rude awakening. It's almost as if the defence saw nothing coming. Just didn't anticipate. On heels rather than toes. That was a given. It always was. Yeah, it's mystifying that a player of his talent wasn't picked up sooner, and he picked them off instead. So, a breakthrough already. Mbappe gets flagged offside. Beyond the defence, Shapes to shoot. It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Oh, that was a brilliant save. Well, someone's doing
Ntar
his
bikin
job
di komentar
properly.
biar ganti gue baca.
With the corner, they're first.
Mah bar kesuran tahun ya lagi kan.
Now a sudden chance to counter.
Sudah ngecas nanti itu.
Sama ni kung siya pwede kang gawin sama dia terus dari timur ni.
So just one early goal to report so far, and the score is 1-0. That has been cut short. Lima. That looks a good ball through, and he's managed to get a goal! They've got rid. Goretzka. Now Son Heung-min. Well, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Oh, it's played into the area. Well to get that clear. Played it again. That has been knocked clear. Some pressing, and that's been intercepted. That's great positioning. So good from him. Oh, that's well spotted. He's going to be disappointed with that. Oh, easy pickings there. Kimmich. Now it's Szoboszlai, and here's Nunez. It's a sweet ball that. Cross from Hakimi. And so can get it clear. It's their second corner of the game. And now they can spring out of defence.
Apa ya? Ini cabut.
It's a sharp pass. Darwin. Now that's well seen too. Danger averted for now. Bedu is hearing after that one. They've got it again. De Ligt. Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities. Khan punts it upfield. It's Goretzka. And he's in a goal. Chance! That's another chance. A real chance and a real let-off. Anticipating this, they're very much set up for the counter-attack, and I don't see it changing anytime soon. Still no way through. The defending here is resolute, and Daeng makes the interception. Soprasid, Goretzka, he can run onto that. Goretzka! That has caused a worry or two. Out to the left it goes. Well seen. Saw that coming. That was well played. Well stopped. Hakimi. Oh, he's through the middle. Szoboszlai.
Has been indicated.
He's had it taken off him. Mbappe. Patrick. Looking for the runner. That'll be the last act of the first half. Well, a very decent watch up to now, but just one goal so far. It has been competitive and combative throughout. So your views on the first half? Haven't played that badly. Getting caught again on the counter-attack is unlikely. They're switched on to that and still very much in this game.
To the information center.
Leading 1-0 at the break.
Substitutions taking place.
And the second half gets underway. Well, if you're ahead, it's a good time to start moving the ball quicker, Peter. Entice your opponents out. See if you can open them up a bit more. If they want to counter, they could do with more speed. They'll want to make the most of this turnover. And it's Kay. Son Heung-min. And he's searching through. No, no way he was going to let him past. And Daeng gets it clear. Well, that defending is unapologetically persistent. It's almost personal. And it had to be. That's been cut out. Well played. Menu, can he spark a counter here? Pass somewhat off target. Slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there. Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey. Mbappe. Szoboszlai. And that interception was most necessary. He read that really well and stopped it. Quality ball. Has ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Szoboszlai. That's what has to be done now, no question about it. This is a really front-footed approach. They just need to sort out their end product, and quickly.
Pero melari.
Szoboszlai, traced it in. It's beautifully weighted. It's a decent clearance. Well, quality clearly deserted him at the crucial moment. He made it look a bit predictable. Oh, good read. That's great positioning. So good from him. And he's heaved it away. Hakimi. Your impression so far, Jim?
Well, Peter, if they're attempting to see out the game with such a narrow advantage, there's room for trouble. I just think they're sending out the wrong message. This could backfire.
That's really well manoeuvred. Malaysia really are showing all the necessary urgency, but it's potency they need. That's been intercepted. That was well played, well stopped.
Now the finish! Should have put that one away.
He's really trying to take this upon himself to get it won.
Substitution on the field. Number 12. Coming on the field is number 11. Neymar.
Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Has a look and place it forward. And here's Kane. That's a fine interception. Back in possession and ready to go again. It's so frustrating. Passing without any end product is just passing time. Holland. Calm and pick that up. Kimmich. Into the last 5 minutes. I think we're just about done here. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. And that interception was most necessary. He read that really well and stopped it. Passing is but sharp.
Added time.
He's looking to set free a runner. He's got goal. Goal! 3 minutes
Kalau
And we're all square again. It is a good finish. The odds were against him. Little matter.
Yeah, he won the jostle, and it was a very good finish. And I think he'll go away feeling pretty good about that one.
Ini acara
So
mana
that's
tu?
it. It is all over. A draw and a highly unpredictable one. Their share of momentum shifts. Highly entertaining until the very end. Kane picking up the Man of the Match award, and no surprise there. How would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
Well, neither side could get over the line here. Perhaps one team might be happier, but at the final
I love it happy. Ini apa tu? Oke, makasih abangku. Sidang. Sidang deh. Ayo buka.